Testing at the edge, the most dangerous spot. Most supply just hope it passes. I verify it. I'm Peter, putting the plank through the torch test. 230 kilogram eccentric load. The stand arrives 24 mm deflection, but ours only 14 millimeter. I engineered this stiffness so your works feel solid ground. It's not luck, it's selection, bad steel, smart design, and strict manufacturing. I checked them all by myself. 460 kilograms, 15 minutes. Unloading now. The standard arrives permanent deflection is nearly 5 millimeter. Ours is less than 1 millimeter. This is the consistency I deliver as your technical eye in China. Safe, compliant, and redesigned for you. If you want to be my partner, drop a message